Right here.
Yeah.
Is that your toys?
My toy.
Yeah, bring it out to Mama. Ooh, is that heavy? Yeah? Can you carry it?
Heavy.
Oh, good job. Come on.
Heavy.
It's heavy. You gotta go put it in there. Put it in there. Oh, thank you. High five. Woo.
Nice. You got any more toys? Let's go look.
Okay, we gotta take that to the trailer.
Is that heavy?
Oh, that's not heavy.
Let's out.